So Alibaba just released a new model called Qwen Image Edit, and from the name alone you can tell that this model is designed for image editing, and so far the results are pretty amazing. So this model brings some improvements, like it is very good at maintaining consistency, so you can upload maybe your own photo and you can change a few things, like maybe changing the background, adding something, or replacing something in the picture, and the AI should be able to maintain the same character of the picture. And also the model is known to be very good at text rendering, so you can rely on it to change the text for both English and Chinese text, and it is also able to maintain similar font style on the text, which is very good. And basically this model is open source, it is free, and it is available right now. If you want to use this model to create a picture or to edit a picture, you can navigate to either Hugging Face space, this is one example, or you can just navigate to chat.qwen.ai and you can log in with your own account. So here you can edit lots of images, and it is not like ChatGPT where the image generation is limited, like 3 to 5 images a day, and it is also very slow. But in the Qwen AI, it is much faster and they're very generous at the credits. So this is how you can use it to edit a picture. Just open a new chat and then click Image Edit. Click this button to select a photo from your device. Let's say I will select this photo. And you can describe what is the thing that you want to change or replace or do something in the photo. Let's say I want to change the style into anime style. So please change the style to anime. Let's send a message and just wait. Again, unlike ChatGPT, which takes 2 minutes to create one picture, this should only take about less than 30 seconds most of the times to create one picture. So it's pretty fast. And by the way, it is also maintain the same aspect ratio. So if I upload a picture that is square, well, the output is going to be square. So you don't need to manually crop the picture anymore. And these are some examples that were provided by the blog post in Qwen AI. You can see that you can input one picture and then you can ask AI to change it into a different view. You can also use it to change the style, which is something that I did on that picture. You can also use it to add something into the photo, and also you can remove some mistake from the photo, like in this example. The AI is able to detect the thin hair and remove it, which is very good, very clean. And of course, it is able to maintain the same text. And you can also change the color of the text, which in this case, the N letter turned from orange into blue. And as you can see, everything else look exactly the same. You can also change the background. You can use it to change the outfit of the person and some other things. Basically, the model is just very good at photo editing. And by the way, let's go back to chat.qwen.ai again. And this is the result. So this is the original picture, and this is the one that has been modified. And of course, there are many other things that you can do. You can not only change the outfit, you can also change the style, remove something from the photo. You can ask AI to change the color, or maybe make the picture to be colorized, add something into the photo. You can also change the background, change the weather, and you can change the text from one title to another. So these are just some examples. Feel free to just navigate to this website and try to edit some photos with your own description. So that's basically everything you need to know about this new model from Alibaba. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.